there.
Hi, what's up?
Hey, what's your name?
My name is Melody Piazzi.
Hey, Melody, how are you?
I'm good, what about you?
Oh, I'm fantastic. So tell me, what are you doing here at AmeriHome?
I'm a marketing intern here, actually. Do you want to check it out?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Definitely want to check it out.
It's a really nice office.
Oh, I can't wait to see it. So, where are you going to school at right now?
I'm actually going to Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas.
And what is your major?
My major is telecommunications, but my minor is in business.
And why did you choose telecommunications? What do you like about that?
So I really love media, to be honest. And so telecommunications involved obviously communications, and so I got to really hone my skills in that. But also with business, I think it facilitates that and helps with the media part of it as well.
Yeah, and I always say content is queen.
Ooh,
so
yeah.
Please pass that on, and being able to share content is just an amazing part of what people can do. So
Yeah,
I think
for sure.
that's so cool that you've chosen that career path.
I'm gonna have to steal that quote from you.
Why did you choose that major?
Well, I really love to be creative, and like I said, media is a really big part of me as a person, and so I think being able to create graphics and involve media with that and produce content for other people to see, that was something that was really important for me. And I think having the business minor, if I ever choose to end up starting my own business or whatever I do with that, that was something that I really enjoyed.
Oh,
Let's check out the break room now.
yeah, let's definitely check it out. So what actually brought you here to AmeriHome?
So I was actually really interested in the real estate business, and then I was looking for summer internships, and while I was looking for internships, I came across AmeriHome Mortgage Company, and so mortgages deal with home buying and lending and stuff like that, and so I thought it was a really good segue to kind of get introduced to the industry.
Yeah, it really is a great industry.
Yeah.
We're really helping people with their home ownership dreams.
For sure.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, and here's our break room. So we have a pool table, we have a couple fridges, and 2 microwaves.
Oh.
So, yeah.
And ping pong?
Oh, yes, ping pong. Can't forget. I'm pretty good though, so if,
Are we going to have a game?
We might have
I
to
don't
challenge.
know. We might have to. So what is your favorite part about being an intern?
I think my favorite part is getting to learn from other people. I have a really great marketing team and my marketing supervisor behind the camera. I get to learn a lot though. I think I kind of came into this not knowing, because this is my first real internship, not knowing a whole lot. And so I've learned a lot from it and from the marketing team about branding and colors and all that. And you don't think about it, but once you're in the industry, it's like, it's so important and you don't realize it. So yeah.
Yeah, it's subtle, but it's really critical.
It makes a difference.
It does. So since starting, what is something interesting that you've learned?
Ooh, I've learned how to pay down your mortgage. So I always thought, you just have to pay interest, and that's it. But I think now, being in the mortgage industry, I've learned you're supposed to pay down your principal first, and your interest will lower as well. It's really scary. I know with the interest rates being what they are right now compared to the 2% that they were back during COVID, 6% can seem like a lot. So seeing that you're supposed to pay down your principal and then from there your interest will go down is a really helpful tip, and I think more people should know about that.
That is just a great thing to know and to learn, especially for you someday when you'll be a first-time home buyer. So
I hope so.
You'll have to apply that, absolutely.
Oh, for sure.
So what is your biggest takeaway from this internship?
I think my biggest takeaway would be proud of the work you produce. At least for me, especially what I create usually goes straight to the businesses or customers on the media sites, and so I want to look at that work and be proud of it, and I want other people to look at it and be like, wow, that's really interesting. I like to look back at my work and say, yeah, that's me. I put my heart and soul into that thing, and so that's probably my biggest takeaway.
Yeah, and it's really rewarding.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So last question,
Okay.
What advice would you give other interns out there?
I would say don't be afraid to ask questions. I think sometimes it can feel a little intimidating being an intern, and so your higher ups are there to help you. So I would say don't be afraid to ask questions.
Well, we're so glad you're here, Melody.
Yeah, thank you so
producing
much.
great work.
Thank you.